Alright guys, this is how you can get the Steam startup movies on your Steam launcher. First, you have to open the big picture mode. You can click on this button and just wait for it to open. So basically, we want to change this movie, this startup animation at the beginning of the big picture mode, and you want to change it with something else. And to do that, you have to click the Steam menu right here and then click settings. Alright, go to customization. So here I'm using the default animation right now, and I want to get a different animation. So you can click visit point shop, and there will be some options that you can purchase and download to your PC. And right now the options are kind of limited, but I think for some people I think this is actually good enough. So you can click on any of them and then you can see some preview, but remember that this item is not eligible for refund. So once you purchase the item, there is no refund. Now I'm not going to buy this one. I actually want to buy the OG version, so let me just scroll down a little bit. Okay, so the OG big picture, and by the way, this will cost you 3,000 Steam points. And if you want to get points, basically you have to spend money on Steam. You have to spend $1, and $1 equals to 100 points, which means you have to spend $30 to get 3,000 points. Anyway, I'm going to click this button to purchase this animation. Just wait. Okay, your own OG big picture now. So this animation has been downloaded. Basically, I have this animation and I can click equip now. And basically, when I'm launching the Steam big picture mode, I can use this animation, but I have to click this first. So I need to download the animation because again, it is actually a video file. So you have to download, and you can equip that to your Steam big picture mode. Alright, so I'm going to click this one. Now it is enabled, and by the way, you can shuffle the startup movie if you want to apply different animations randomly. You can enable that option, but that is optional. Now I'm going to close this again. I'm going to restart the big picture mode, and let's see if it is able to run the latest or the newest big picture mode animation. So I'm going to click this button again. There you go. That's definitely the OG startup screen for the big picture mode, and that's basically how you can equip your Steam big picture mode with a different animation.